Okay, and that is the southern, is it the southern direction?
Southern direction, yes, that's indeed correct.
And that is the first body.
Okay, dit word ook gesê dat die eerste lijk wat hulle gevind het, was in die teenoorgestelde rigting wat hulle vanaf gekom het. Dit nou teruggehardloop en met die gesig plat op die grond.
Are you covered?
Well, lady, there's one aspect. The only issue was borehole. Sorry, George, I didn't give a speaking choice.
Okay, borehole. What do you want to say about the borehole?
Where is the borehole? Well, lady, we're going to object to that now because that's not in dispute, and we give indication to Advocate Sekukuna, we're going to object to that. It's not in dispute, it's not part of the witness testimony. He's never testified according to, in relation to the borehole or anything. It was a 220 admission, so we're going to object to that being shown.
Okay, what else do you want me to record, please?
Well,
and what else must we record?
I would just like the indication the two bodies are two different wounds. My instruction is I would like to clarify which body they observed which wound on what body. So the first body being body 1, did Mr. Rivett observe any wound on that?
But can we see that here? We
No,
cannot see that.
There's a specific reason for that.
Yeah, that should be for evidence, Mr.
No, but it's a simple indication. If he picked up a body that side the next day, did he see a wound, yes or no, and which body? That's it.
Yeah, but that can be clarified in court, isn't it? Because we don't see the body, we don't see the wound now. We record what we see. That's the purpose of the inspection in loco.
It will be similar to say where was the kicks, where exactly.
But we see it on the photograph. There's no, that's the issue. But if you don't want to,
it's fine.
with me.
You'll pursue it in court. It's okay.
It vigorously.
Remember that the purpose of the cross-examination is to, the purpose of inspection in loco. The reason why you brought me here is because you want me to see certain points, and that's exactly what we are doing.
Perfect.
So the body is not here. I cannot see the wounds on the body. Okay. Anything else that I must note? Mr. Nogane, what do you want us to note? Anything to note?
That's it.
Is that it? Okay. Okay. Thank you. Can we then go back?
I'm just going to ask if I can just take my learned junior to his house for just 10-15 minutes.
Oh, just to, okay. No, it's fine. Then you'll find us at court.